So, today, I'd like to talk about a topic here. So, one misconception about our GTR here is that it's on bags, which that is completely wrong. So, this car is not on bags. So, this particular car has the Umbrella VRH lift system. So how it works is that, well, first you start the car, and so you have these two buttons. So this one's for the front, this one's for the rear. So pushing forward is going to be I'm gonna close the door real quick. So pushing forward is going to be to lift the vehicle up. So I mean, okay, we'll just look at them there. So you see it raised up and you hear the compressor going. And then gonna hit the buttons on the back now. And then it's lowered, right? So what it is that it is a cup kit. It is not actually it's not actually or bags as people think. So I guess I'll show you guys from the outside. So, as you probably saw, so right now the GTR is in lifted mode. So you can see the clearance here is about, it says to be 75 millimeters on their website, but you see it's about a 3-finger gap. And should have been able to see how it was when it was raising and lowering. So what a cup kit or what a lift kit is that it's either a small compressor or a spring on top of the coil or on the bottom or whichever, it depends on which company you're going with. You can thus lift the car up to get more clearance. So it's like the front lift on a Lamborghini. It's not bags, because bags are soft and you could lower it a lot. Obviously tuck and whatever, because it's actually like a bag. That's why they call it bags, right? So that's a common misconception. So this is the best solution for lowered vehicles and that want to retain the function of your coilovers rather than going with bags. Because as much as they say bags are good to track with, I've driven, I think, 2 bagged cars. Every time I throw that into a corner, like a real tight corner, I kind of go, oh shit, I'm about to poop my pants. Because, well, it's soft. So bags, not bags. So George has bags on his M5 and he wants to change that out because that was one of the cars where I threw it in a corner because I thought it would handle, right? But no. So, for example, bag or coils? Obviously, coils all the time. So we're on KW's website. I don't work with KW. Let's see here. So this is what it is. This is the KW version, obviously. It's going to be this part here. You see how it folds up, right? So it's like, it looks like bags kind of, but it's not really. And it's really for you to just use it while you need to go over a speed bump or go up a steep hill or whatever. And then this is the system that's on the GTR. So it's going to be a lip system, so it's not bags because that has a spring on it, has a coil on it, right? So let's go look up airlift so this is what bags look like. This is what a bagged GTR looks like. You see it's tucking. Are they showing it on track? Oh, wow. Okay. So you see no visible coil on it, unlike the previous ones that we're looking at right here. See, still the coil, still retained. I mean, obviously they're gonna advertise their product, and bags are really for a stance thing, not necessarily the best for road racing or track days or whatever. You can do it, but if you're out chasing lap times, it's not what you're gonna be doing. Because if this was something that was good for racing, then people obviously would be doing it for their race cars, right? Race teams, professionals, but they don't. Got interrupted. But yeah, it says it's supposed to, it's meant for the track, which it means you have a comfortable drive to the track, change a couple of settings, and carve corners with the best of them. I mean, if you're in a GTR and you have 600 horsepower, it's kind of hard not to, keep them up in the straight line. But anyways, long story short, if you're asking me, coilovers. If you want clearance, then coilovers plus cup kit. I don't suggest bags unless you're a show car and all you're trying to do is for aesthetics, which I would suggest bags. Well, I wouldn't suggest bags either. I mean, I think riding static is way cooler, but it's good not to mess up your $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 front end, depending on what kind of car you have. And that's a short video for today. Bye bye.